In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift games on Steam Mobile. If you want to send a game or a digital gift card to a friend using the Steam Mobile app, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can avoid confusion and make sure the gift is sent the right way. Start by opening the Steam Mobile app and searching for the game or digital gift card you want to send. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the correct item, especially if there are different editions or versions available. Once you've found the right item, tap Add to Cart. After that, go into your cart and look at the item you just added. You'll see a drop-down menu that usually says, For My Account. This is an important part of the process because by default, Steam assumes the purchase is for you. Tap that drop-down and change it to This is a Gift. After switching it to a gift, select Continue to Gift Options. This takes you to the section where you choose who the gift is going to. Pick your recipient from your friends list. Keep in mind that if the person isn't on your friends list, you won't be able to gift it to them directly through the cart, so make sure they've already been added before you start. Next, write a personalized message, add a signature, and choose whether you want to send the gift immediately or schedule it for a later delivery date. This is a nice touch if you're sending it for a birthday, holiday, or special occasion. When everything looks good, tap Continue to Payment to complete the transaction. Once the payment goes through, your gift will be sent based on the delivery option you selected. And that's how to gift games on Steam Mobile.